Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube. And welcome back to William in Japan. Today you join me back on the street triple on the Metropolitan Highway. Not really doing much, just taking out the bike, enjoying a bit of the warm winter, and give you a few updates. Alright, before further ado, let's dig into it. Welcome back, folks. So 2025 definitely started a bit slow in terms of motorcycle riding. I myself, I think, only did 2 rides so far. One was recorded on the 748R. One was a bit of a relaxing ride for myself, so definitely don't want to carry a GoPro on my chin. So that was not recorded. And basically that's it. Speaking of the 748R, I did a very stupid thing while I was shuffling my bikes around inside the garage. So to put things short, I dropped it. Perfect OEM fairings all scratched up. So I guess that's a blessing, since I always want to return the fairings, or at least the decals, all to OEM or original conditions. Well, let's take the chance and repaint the whole bike. The previous owner definitely did do a few custom paint job, I guess. Few Ducati Corsair labels here and there. Some number plates, especially on the front of the fairing, where it should be pure red. So, as such a iconic bike as the 748R is, I think it is best to keep it simple and keep it, well, OEM. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to repaint it back to the original condition, and it is basically somewhat of a birthday present to myself. 740R should go into the shop roughly around 30th, so that's next week, and it should come back in a month or so. So maybe it'll be in time for a little present for myself. Yeah. On the other hand, the street triple feels great as always. Like, so much compliments I already did to this bike. The frame and the suspension is magical. Hooked me up in the first ride. Never got the chance to forget it, I guess. No other bike feels the same. It's light, it's agile, it stays very stabilized in corners. Yeah, really not much more you can ask for. So definitely bring it out from time to time, even in these kind of situations, just on the highway. Feels great. It's just such a good bike in any sort of situation. Of course, we're leaving off-road off the table, but you get the idea. Other things, personally, nothing much really. Reallocation still wasn't decided. Maybe I'll stay in Japan after all. Who knows? We're still waiting to see how everything pans out. I'll let you guys know, since if the reallocation is going to happen, well, there will be a huge blank on this YouTube channel. So definitely let you guys in the loop and see how things are going. Wow, such a good shot. I love this little branch of the highway. It's number 10 of the Metropolitan Express ways. It's very short. It branches off of the main highway we just took. But during nighttime, this is one of my favorite night rides areas. Skyscrapers during day, it always looks really nice. But when this lights up, and trust me, all the lights on the side of this fence all lights up, you feel like you're riding in Tron in the movie. It's so damn cool. That's a video idea right there. Maybe I should do a night ride and record this little route. But it's less than 3 minutes. It stops right here. We're back in normal roads. Back to the marine front. So yeah, let's see if we can bind it to something else. Maybe on a random update, just like today. Alright, final thing I would like to talk about is definitely the new bikes of 2025. I myself is very excited for the CB1000 Hornet. So the CB1000 is a great bang for buck, in my opinion. But that is not the main reason why I am extremely excited about it. It's more about the rumors of what Honda will build on that platform. So I think 2 to 3 years ago, during the Tokyo Motorcycle Show, Honda did reveal a concept bike. I think back then it was called the CBF concept. To put it simply, I'm gonna put a photo up right now. It is a homage to the good old, well, do-it-all Japanese bike, the universal bike, UJM. It looks the part, and with that new engine with the exhaust valve, and if they can keep it at that price, oh hell yeah, I'm in. The bikes in my stable are, again, 748R, the Thruxton, well, in the family stable, and the Street Triple. So that's a twin, a triple, and we're still missing a 4-cylinder and a single cylinder. Single cylinder, there isn't really a bike I would love to jump on right now, but a 4-cylinder bike, ooh, that's a different story. If they really bring out that CB1000 F version, as the rumors, at least in Japan, becomes true, well, I'm sold, guys, I'm sold. If they're willing to give it the SP version, or the treatment, just like the Hornet, damn, Brembo brakes, the looks, proper Olin suspension on the shocks, and pretty good suspension on the front with Showa. Yeah, I'm in, guys. Even though I can't fit it in my garage, well, I think I'll try and make it happen anyways. So what do you think, guys? Are you more excited about the CB1000 Hornet or the CB1000 F version that might or might not become a reality, I think, by the end of this year? Fingers crossed it will be announced. Fingers crossed we'll see it in EICMA. But for myself, I am definitely more excited on the F than the Hornet. Alright, thanks for joining me, guys. Did you enjoy the view? Oh, haha, that's Olin suspension for you. Hell, that felt great, even through all that bumps. Oh, where was I? Yes! Hope you enjoyed the view, the sunset, on a warm winter's day. And this street triples hell. This has been William. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.